know, whatever's coming in, it's coming in fast. I took Sal out for a walk, and it wasn't like this. I could actually see some blue sky, and we walked 0.4 kilometers, like less than half a kilometer, and boom. Crazy. I like how fast it rolled in. Yeah, gray and blue and black clouds and lightning. All of these clouds are less than like 10,000 feet above where we are. It's cool. It's got lightning all around. Total 360 of lightning. And yep, there's still some idiots in the pool. Oh well. But check it out. Phoenix, Arizona, Thursday. Yep, look at that lightning. It's so awesome. It's 7:20, and this just kind of kicked up in the last 10 minutes. Moving in super, super fast. We've got the wind happening and everything. Oh, yeah, I love weather. I think when I come back, by next time I'm going to be a meteorologist. I can just take what I know now and make sure to bring it back with me the next time. Look at that. That's so cool. I mean, you can smell it. You could have smelled it like 10, almost 15 minutes ago when I first came out, and you still had blue skies. It's like we could definitely smell something was coming. Sal even stopped. I was walking him, and he stopped, and he was sniffing the wind. I'm like, yep, you can smell it coming, baby. Yeah, it's almost to the top. This is so awesome. Right there. Yeah, I know it's all grainy and fuzzy, but you know, that's actually what it looks like out here. There's not a lot of light because of the very thick cloud cover. So the iPod isn't focusing perfectly. I love these big, thick clouds. Like I said, there's several layers of them happening, along with all the lightning. And you have the clouds that are like totally gray and pitch, and yet over there you can kind of look through the clouds up to what's left of the sunshine. I just felt a raindrop. It's now 7:23 on the 20th of August, and I am in Phoenix, Arizona, Greenway, and the 51. So I believe this is North Phoenix. just the last 15 minutes. It does. It smells amazing. The wind gusts are beginning to pick up, and it's moving the bigger trees quite a lot. That's the tree on the other side of the flat. Might be my cue to start heading inside. It's 7:25 and the first hearing of thunder. The lightning is definitely getting closer. And looking off in this direction, it's completely gray. And this is like directly above me. So no rain, just lots of lightning all around and lots of wind and thunder. That was a raindrop. Okay, well, that one was directly overhead, so I'm going to stop and go inside now. Okay, bye-bye now.